Well, we had some shitty weather lately here. Rain, snow, ice, cold. It's not supposed to warm up this weekend either, so I'm sneaking in a ride in between rain, then turning to snow tonight. I don't have a pin lock on this visor, which is a mistake. Should have switched visors, but once I get going. I'll just have to leave her open a little more than I'd like. Once you get moving, the visor's fine. Folks are overjoyed. Wish I had the hand guards on. You know, I was darn sure I wasn't going to get called again. It's freezing. We called all weekend. Snow, rain. I thought that was a cop. Cold, rain, snow, ice. Up north, I think they're getting like a foot of snow. The insanity. Well, looks like I'm stuck going up here to turn around now. That's alright. It's not wet under the bridge. I can't see the ground at all. Tinted visor is awesome. Oh, now it's starting to rain. Alright, we'll turn around. I guess we got in while we got in, huh? Dang, Wilson. Thought I had time. Took me so long to get going, so I wasn't planning on it. Wasted about a half hour. the X5 handles the rain, huh? Still, I'm using this as my main camera. 100% because it's so nice not having a camera on my helmet. Defrost. There we go. Play it by ear on when I can get out and ride this weekend. In between the snow and the rain, I will not give up. Cold don't bother me at all. Different than snowmobiling, right? Just for the weather. Piggly Wiggly! City of Fritley. This is the boundary. What the hell's going on up here? Tilt the camera forward. See if we can get there. Really close up, huh? That ought to be a close up for sure. Just a pack of retards here, I guess. Nothing fucking new. There's probably one just holding everybody up. See if it's this jackass. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, back with here with you. Alright, see ya. Bye.